In today's video, we're going to be talking about a holiday, and that holiday is Valentine's Day. I'm going to be telling you what you need to do on Redbubble to prepare for this, what kind of designs you should be trying to make, and I'm also going to go through 5 niches plus the bonus one that you should be trying out for Valentine's Day that have low competition. So if you're ready for that, please drop a like on this, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone who's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. That way you won't miss out on videos and you won't miss out on opportunities to potentially make some extra money online. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I use to make my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. But however, for anyone looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, with that said, jumping into this video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about Valentine's Day on Redbubble and what you need to do, whilst also going through some niches you should try out. Now, just to give you guys a little bit of context, so when you jump on Redbubble and you search Valentine's Day, there's 227,988 results. Now, that is crazy if you ask me. And one question that I see popping up a lot is people saying there's so much competition when it comes to this holiday, in this case Valentine's Day. What kind of design should I be making to be competitive? How can I potentially get sales for this holiday? And that is what this whole video is going to be about. I'm going to be showing you niches that are related to Valentine's Days, that are somewhat sub niches that will help you get sales. You can see at the top there's some little tabs there, and those tabs are sub niches off Valentine's Day that allow you to find potentially smaller niches. And pretty much what I did in my research, I went through a few of them to kind of niche down to see if I can find niches with less competition, which is what I'll be getting into. One product that stands out is greetings cards. Now, as you can see, it's kind of sorted through the most relevant. So these are somewhat the products that are performing well at this moment in time. And as you can see, the top, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 9 there. So the top 10 designs includes 9 greetings cards. Now, if that's not a sign that you should be making greetings cards related designs for Valentine's Day, I don't know what is. And I want you guys to bear that in mind as I go through these niches. So jumping us onto the first of the first 5 that I'm going to be talking about, we have, as you should be able to see, Sorry Ladies, Mummy is My Valentine. Now, just to preface, I've trademark checked all of these, so these are good to go and you guys can actually make designs for this niches. This niche, as you can see, has 102 results. You can easily link this to Valentine's Day, as it's got Valentine's in the title. And obviously, if you make sure that you're adding Valentine's Day, Valentine's into your tags, you can increase your chances of ranking up on the main Valentine's keyword. There's a lot of different designs in there. People have mainly focused on things like t-shirts. And moving us on to the next niche we have, so the second one in this video, it's Sorry Boys, Daddy is My Valentine. Now, it's pretty much like a flip of the last one. You just change the mummy to daddy, and as you guys can see there's 719 results, still less than 1,000, which is a lot less than 200,000, making it very, very easy for you guys to jump into. And another thing I noticed with a lot of these niches, there's not people in these niches spamming tags, which is always good, and it's always a good sign of a niche that you can potentially get sales in. And as you can see, most of the designs are t-shirts. There's no stickers in there, and most importantly, there's no greetings cards showing up as some of the top designs. So just think to yourself, if you can jump into this niche and implement these other different products, you might actually be able to nicely get yourself a slice of the market. And another niche we have in here for you guys is I have everything I need. Now, you guys might be thinking, okay, how does this linked to Valentine's Day. Now, if you create, let's say, more than one version of this shirt, this could be seen as a couple's design. So someone could buy maybe 2 of this t-shirt that they're gonna wear and then their partner's gonna wear, and it kind of fits into the Valentine's Day niche. It's kind of cute if you think about it that way. And this niche has 313 results. Once again, low competition is always good. And even if you don't believe that you get sales in this niche, this is personally a niche that I feel that you guys should at least put one design in there, because you never know, it could end up selling. And from what I can see, a lot of people have made both a black and a white design to make sure that they're optimizing on the amount of spots they can actually get in this niche, as it has very, very, very low competition. And moving on to the next one. So this one's a bit different, but it's I Dig You. Now, you're probably thinking, huh? Sounds weird, I know, but just another way of potentially saying I'm into you, you know, I like you, I love you. And as you can see, there's only 502 results, and it's something you guys can definitely jump into. Some people have actually thought ahead and created some greetings cards for this niche, so they're kind of ahead of their time, ahead of thinking in this one. And that's what you guys should be trying to do. You should be trying to get into some of these smaller niches and then link them back to Valentine's Day through your description, through your tags as well. And you could potentially end up ranking on the main keyword, which is the main aim of obviously making designs for Valentine's Day. And that is all of the first 5 that I wanted to talk about. And for those that are still watching at this point, I just thought I'll throw in a bonus niche, or should I say bonus niches, as they're kind of linked. And the bonus niches are, first one is She Is Mine with 503 results. And then the next is He Is Mine with 316 results. And the main reason I've put these together is because these are designs that can be seen as matching designs. And obviously, let's say if you make 2 of these designs, let's say 4 of these designs, so you make 2 white ones, 2 black ones, there's a high chance that someone could actually buy these 2 as a pair from your shop to make a cute couple's outfit. And that's something you guys can definitely try out. There's a few people I can see, I think not even a few people, I think there's one person there and then one person there that's kind of created designs that are, you know, matching. The one that says She Is Mine with the little Minnie Mouse looking character, I wouldn't advise you guys do that, because Disney things when it comes to Redbubble could lead to your account, 1, being shut or your designs being taken down. So stay away from Disney designs, but use cute images you can find, or just use cute text, just things you think people will buy, mainly because the competition here is so low, so you could potentially end up getting yourself some easy sales. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to share this with you because I know Valentine's Day is coming, it's not far, and if you're not already making designs for Valentine's Day, you should definitely implement some of the things that I've spoke about in this video. I'm almost certain you should be able to get yourself in a couple of sales if you're making sure that your designs also stand out. And remember, Valentine's Day equals gift equals an increase in sales on Redbubble, so make sure you are staying on top of this. Now for this video, that's pretty much it guys. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like on this, as that would be very much appreciated. For anyone who might be new to the channel, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. For anyone who's made it to this point in the video, either comment the heart emoji or just comment heart, and I'll try to respond to as many people as I can. And always remember guys, that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.